Good day everyone, I am Gieraldyne of Fresno from grade 10 Rizal, and I will show you how to set dynamic and static IP address. So first, you need to access the control panel. Search it. Here. And you will see the network and the internet. Click it. After clicking it, this will show up. Click the network and sharing center. And now you will see your active networks. Click the change adapter settings. And you will see your active network adapter. Right click it and then you will see the properties. Click the properties. And click the Internet Protocol version for TCP or IPv4. Click the properties. So as you can see, I am using a dynamic IP address. Change it to use the following IP address to set a static IP address. So for you to know the default gateway or the router's IP address, search command prompt. Then type ipconfig. And now you see my current IP address, which is 192.168.0.120, and my default gateway 192.168.0 and 1. So set up, I wanna use the number 143. For the subnet mask, it will be automatically filled. It is class C. Default gateway is 192.168.0 and 1. As you can see, you can change the first 3 octet because it serves as the network. You can only change the 4th octet in class C because it represents the host. The preferred DNS server will be, the default gateway will be as the same as the default gateway 192.168.0 and 1. After that, click OK to apply the changes. So as you can see, my internet came back quickly. So to check if I have changed my IP address, we will use ipconfig again. And now you see my current IP address was changed 192.168.0.143, which I typed earlier. Subnet mask is still the same. The default gateway remained the same. And next, I will show you how to set a dynamic IP address. First, you will access again the control panel, network and the internet. It is the same as static, but the 9th step and the 10th step is different from each other. Click the network and sharing center and change adapter settings. You will see the Ethernet. Right click it and click the properties, and now this showed up. Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4, again click it. And now as you can see, I am using the static one which I assigned earlier. And for it to come back to a dynamic IP address, just click the obtain an IP address automatically. And then DNS server also obtain the DNS server address automatically. Then click OK to apply the changes. Okay. My internet connection came back again. So now let's check if it came back from my IP address. Again, type ipconfig and This is the IP address which we saw earlier. Still the same before we change it to static. 192.168.0.120. The default gateway remained the same. The subnet mask remained the same. And that's it for my video tutorial for how to set a static and dynamic IP address. Thank you for watching.